Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Kaspa, Power Law Theory. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off, and you can also check out their popular biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Kaspa at the time of the recording, and let's see what it has been up to lately, guys. So, guys, this is the daily chart of Kaspa, although it is down 2.49% in the daily. But let me share with you this chart over here. This is the all-time chart of Kaspa, guys. I haven't seen anything prettier than this in recent times in terms of price appreciation or price action. One of the most healthiest price actions that has taken place in recent memory, guys. I mean, this is phenomenal. It has broken its all-time highs as well, and that too in the midst of BTC dip, guys. Always when the market is bearish, we've seen Kaspa perform. I remember it. I remember it performing when when we were going through a really brutal bear market, guys. Look at the market cap, $4.87 billion. It has overtaken a lot of assets, guys. So check this out. According to CoinMarketCap, ranked 21st out of all 10,066 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. So this is huge, guys. It has taken over a lot of brands in this space, guys. So anyways, guys, let me share an interesting phenomenon with you guys, an interesting theory known as power law theory. For those of you who are acquainted with Bitcoin, you know that you know the power law theory well, but in recent memory, Kaspa has also been associated with that power law theory. Let's now see what that power law theory is, guys. So, in a nutshell, guys, basically power law theory predicts that with historical data and network activity, we can predict the price and long-term appreciation of BTC. So look at this, guys. The power law theory claims that regardless of the volatility going up and down, the price ultimately will reach new heights. When it comes to BTC, look at this. Bitcoin long-term power law. Look at this, guys. From its inception all the way to 2040 over here, we can see that BTC is on its way to grow consistently and ultimately reach $10 million, guys. People are predicting $1 million, but according to this power law, it's going to be reaching 10 million in close to 2040. So let's see, guys, because look at this. How to interpret the Bitcoin long-term power law chart. Using this chart, two conclusions or perhaps assumptions are made. The price will reach 100,000 per BTC no earlier than 2021 and no later than 2028. After 2028, the price will never drop below $100,000. The price will reach $1 million per Bitcoin no earlier than 2028 and no later than 2037. So basically, we're looking at 2037 in the final date in which Bitcoin, according to this price and chart prediction, will reach $1 million. After 2037, the price will never drop below $1 million. I mean, this is phenomenal. And now the Kaspa community, Kaspa being a fairly launched proof of work coin, basically, which has not been pre-mined, fair launch, no pre-sale. People are saying that Kaspa is following that power law as well. I know some of you think the power law is bullshit, but it's the reason I got into Kaspa. Besides all of the other fundamentals, trilemma solver, hash rate growth, growing institutional support, EDC. The amazing thing is, besides Bitcoin, the only other crypto that follows a power law trend is Kaspa. So look at this, given all the bullish news and fundamentals, it'll be honestly disappointing if Kaspa doesn't even reach $2. $2 after listing, must $5 to $8, max $2. This bull run will be tough to get past the $1 sell pressure, but max it will do is $2. But guys, there are even people that are claiming that it will reach $10 plus. Let me share with you this post over here. I mean, look at this. $1, $10, and even in the very long run, like 10 million BTC, we're looking at $100 as well. I mean, this is insane. I know it is insane, but it is what it is. It is what it is. People are claiming this. The community members are saying it. But yeah, look at this, $100 cash in 8 years. So according to this post over here as well, uh, Air 2010. Okay, so where is Kaspa? $100 cash in 8 years. Okay. Okay, so this is BTC price chart, guys. So according to this calculation, they are giving a time frame for Kaspa to hit $100 in 8 years. I do not know how relevant, how true this will be, but they are, I think, calculating it with the price of BTC and how it has grown over the course of years, and trying to come up with their own conclusions and takes. So yeah, Kaspa and Bitcoin Power Law article. What do people think about this article? The power law take and how each has it in common is interesting, but I tend to shy away from something that feels forced. The author brings up power law and how, if we understand it, our minds will be blown, but telling me something that is 2 years off from an original timeline, in this case, each of them is close, and how coincidental feels like it is forced to fit the narrative. So I am taking it as an interesting forecast for BTC and CAS, and we'll leave it there. Thanks for sharing. I tend to agree. I felt it was a bit forced, and the power law only works for BTC because we have three full cycles now of boom and bust where it fits. Kaspa is so nascent and hasn't touched the bottom of the spread yet. Needs to bounce a few times after massive drawdowns for this to seem realistic. So basically, different takes on it, different perspectives. Some are saying that the power law is true, the others are saying that it is forced. Kaspa still has to basically go through 2 to 3 cycles. I mean, the 3 cycles means almost 15 to 20 years, I mean, or 12 to 16 years almost, to see whether it is true or not. Great article, no notes. Kaspa Silver just did a good video about the power law. Here's the link. Kaspas is still in its early cycle. The power law is based on historical pattern. Thus, I disagree with this statement. For Kaspa, it's slightly different because it is operating in the shadow of Bitcoin, which makes it grow at a much slower pace. Kaspa will grow at faster pace than BTC if it can truly solve the scalability issue of BTC. My personal prediction, BTC equals digital gold used to buy real estate, car, or just store of value, high value, low TPS. Kaspa, digital silver, electronics, laptop, or dining at fancy restaurant, medium value, medium TPS. NXRA, we've talked about NXRA quite a few times. I've made 2 videos on NXRA, guys, almost 2 to 3 videos on NXRA. This, in my opinion, is has the potential to be the next big thing for sure in terms of price appreciation as well as the tech guys. I mean, I'm blown away for the potential, but obviously anything can succeed or fail. Anyways, it is known as the digital bronze, burgers, ice cream, coffee, low value, high TPS. This is retrofit nonsense that only a complete lunch would buy into. Snake oil salesmen like the Strats, Yam Kid are all over this. Okay, so different opinions, guys. I mean, there are crazy predictions, but you never know. You never know when it comes to these assets, guys. So look at this. this is how much the community of Kaspa is bullish on this asset. Kaspa is the strongest currency in human history. Kaspa belongs to the people, not the governments. No pre-sales, no pre-mining, fair distribution, limited supply, stateless. Additionally, Kaspa is the most high-tech layer one seen in crypto history. I mean, that can be argued because, like I told you guys, NXRA is in line to basically overtake certain elements of what Kaspa stands for, in my opinion, as well. But I think Kaspa is also one of the best performing assets in recent memory, and obviously it is a pioneer. Look at this Kaspa monthly time frame, very strong momentum signal. Yesterday, Kaspa closed a bullish hammer candle of the 20-week SMA on the monthly. When this happens on the weekly and monthly on CAS or BTC, it is typically a very bullish signal. Go and look into this for yourselves. Kaspa, yeah, this is what I was talking about, guys. Kaspa Power Law update as well. This crypto proselyte discusses these layer ones as well, like Kaspa, Nexa, and others. Kaspa Power Law update, quick review, fair value 24.8, current value almost to 25 cents, current value 20 cents, support line value. Yeah, this is awesome. Time ahead of cycle 25 days, detailed review. The fair value is 25 cents almost, which shows CAS is still moving under the trend line. Theoretically, anything below the trend line is hugely undervalued, and only when it surpasses the trend line, it goes exponential up and down and cancel each other. So just to remind you, another time Kaspa moves based on a power law, not an exponential function. Exponential moves are not healthy in the long term. On the contrary, power functions are very sustainable. Historically, the wildest peaks happened when the price was 200 days ahead of the zero point 0.1 quantile line. What this means is that if we measure the Euclidean distance of the peak and the future trend line, it will be around 200. In simpler words, the peak price is supposed to reach in 200 days if there was no peak. I mean, this is awesome, guys. What do you guys think about Kaspa and the power law? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.